Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to do a quick water quality test on this machine. This is actually the machine that we're going to be sending to you guys out in California. It's just missing the graphics right now. So right here we're going to do a pH and ORP test, but first we're going to dispense 16 ounces of water. Get these 2 cups topped off. This is making me thirsty. So the first test is for the pH. Purple is a good indication of a strong 9.5. Take a look at that.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Good enough to drink. And this next test here is the ORP test. And what the ORP looks for is oxidation reduction potential. That shows you how much free hydrogen is in the water. And as you can see, that's a pretty good number. But that about does it for our water quality test. Appreciate it, guys.